How to get a relationship coach on BlueGPT. In order to do that, click on this AI assistants, or you can also click on this AI assistants right here. So it depends on you, but you just head over and scroll down on the experts until you can see in here relationship coach. Click on this right here, and then from in there you should be able to see in here this chat right here. Hello, I'm a relationship coach. I can help you with your relationship problems. What is the issue? So let's say something like, my mother-in-law is forcing me to something. So I have put in here my question. My mother-in-law is forcing me to take care of his other daughter even though they don't help me and always abuses me. My husband is also forcing me. Let's say something like, what should I do? So let's say something like this, and then send this to this relationship coach. So it will ask you this: communicate openly, set boundaries, seek support, involve your husband, explore alternatives, professional help, and law. So this will show you this one, and also you can see their introduction, which is actually empathetic and really good. So that's how you get relationship coach on BlueGPT. Hope you help.